Alright guys, back bass fishing here. We made an intro this morning when we went goose hunting, and somehow it's either gone or we didn't hit the record button. Something happened to it, so we're making her now. But hunted a cut wheat field. The height wasn't the greatest. We did get into some birds though, so let's get into the rest of the video. Whirly our side.
Ready?
Wait.
Go!
Whoa! Oh, right behind us, behind us.
You get him?
Oh
yeah.
Beautiful!
Keep going. Yep, that one might spin around.
Alright, we had the first flock of the morning. We got like 6 out of there. We got more.
Ready to jump in, Day.
Got 6 in the morning. I don't think anybody shot 3 shells that fast in their life, but got the geese.
I'll show you how to adjust them later.
Right there.
If you ever get
Here's the fresh hide.
Hopefully I got that on
It's beautiful.
one's for Chuck.
Or should we do Civil War?
No, but let me call it.
Yell, this one's for Chuck.
Oh my fuck. Kill it!
This one's for Chuck! Kill it! This one's for Folded.
Fresh loner just came in, folded the Bigfoot, and we got a fresh goose. It's a beautiful day out here in Nodak. Yell it so loud.
Dude, don't shoot my fucking head, dude. Do you think they're gonna swoop in?
I might have to swing here. Oh yeah. Kill him! 4-pack just came in. We dumped them all. That was a beautiful pack.
Nice shot.
Photography.
His hand. It's like 3 miles, no.
Band that we just shot, Barth looked up the information, and it was banded in Wheeler County, Nebraska, and we were in central North Dakota. So we made a hike. It was born in 2019 or earlier and banded in 2020. So it's pretty interesting. 3-year-old bird. And
First band ever as a group.
yeah, not except for pigeons.
Well, yeah.
Can we touch them?
Definitely could have.
See if they spin. Alright, here we go. Are you shitting me? This fucking thing's dead.
Coming over top.
Okay, here we go.
Doing all you, bro.
Ready? Go! Get him! Get him!
Jesus, see. They're all coming. Should we wait or should we just shoot the first?
If there's 4 or 5 in front of us. Oh, fuck. Come on, pull him in. There he goes.
You done with these?
Yeah. Think you can get those? Go! Oh my!
Who's calling it still?
Oh my god. Oh.
Ready?
Yep.
Take home! Ready? Take home!
Holy balls!
Woo!
Better kill that.
Got him.
Alright, mid-morning update. We just had a big flock come from the left side. They came to the back, right in here. I think we dropped like 7. We didn't mop them, but we didn't miss a ton. We are at 25 currently, and hoping some more trickle back on the way back from feeding, because there's a loaf right behind us. There's my friend Peyton Worley.
We're not friends.
Alright. Yeah. That's what I got for you.
What are we doing here?
We're wrapping up the hunt. We got the band draw. It's me, Worley, Sam, Logan, and Everett. We all shot at the 2 that were up front. One of them was banded, so.
Alright, Worley. First? Yeah. Gotta close my eyes here. No dice. Who's going next?
6. Everett.
There's 6 in there.
Snake.
You got it?
No shot.
He's got the band.
Every time.
Nice job, Seeks.
Thank you.